Hello everybody, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today's video is going to be a wash and go. I haven't done one in a while and I was thinking to myself that it's time for me to get back and try it again. I did cut my bangs recently and I was really excited to see how it would turn out with a wash and go. These are the results. I'm having a situation over here. Not sure what it is, but I am going to go get my hair checked on Monday, this upcoming Monday. By the time you guys see this, I think it'll be probably a lot later. But I'm having little issues with my hair right now, so I'm trying to work through them, figure out what's going on, such and such. But this is the wash and go. I've also decided to restart my wash and go series. If you are new to my channel, I will be doing a wash and go video once a month, testing out a new product or doing a new method, new routine. It's really just to kind of shed some light on wash and goes because that was never my favorite thing to do with my hair, so I decided to challenge myself, find new products that work for me, and test them out on my hair. So if you want to see this product and how it works and the whole process, keep watching this video. Hey guys, I haven't done a wash and go in a while. My hair is soaking wet and I kind of forgot how this feels. I have like water dripping down my face, but nonetheless, we're going to work with it. So I'm going to show you the new product for today. I am back on my wash and goes, which you will be seeing these monthly. For this year, I decided to give them a swing again. I kind of fell off of them just because I got a little nervous, but we're back. So the new product for today is going to be this product by Not Your Mother's Natural. It's the Tahitian Gardenia Flour and Mango Butter Curl Defining Combing Cream, and it's supposed to bring intense softness plus frizz-free curl retention. This is what it looks like. And I am going to be mixing that with this, which I will show you guys in a few seconds. Okay. Mix these two together and then I'm going to lock it in with the Eco Styler Gel. I know that a lot of different people have said different things about this product recently, but it really hasn't given me much of a problem, so until then I'm going to keep using it. And what I always like to do when I have any type of gel or anything that's going to take the moisture out of my hair, I like to just combine that with some creams, which is why I'm going to use those two products. And let's just jump in. So what I typically like to do, if you haven't seen any of my wash and goes before, is before I even apply any type of product, I like to use my Demon brush to kind of detangle the hair first. That way when I apply the product, I don't have to use a lot because it's able to penetrate the strands rather quickly. Let's do that, and then once that's done, I kind of finger comb it, rake it, whatever you want to call it, just to get that life back in my hair. And now I'm going to go in with some product. The Not Your Mother's Curl Cream, and that much Jane Carter, that much that, and then I'm just going to mix this. I'm mainly mixing it also because I find that the Jane Carter, I watched this in another video, and I believe it was Minnie Marley's video, but just, it's easier kind of to move this product when you have something else, which I agree with her on that, because whenever I apply Jane Carter, it's kind of hard to distribute. So I'm going to lock this in here, and I'm just going to take this by the root to tips. I like to finger rake, and then I like to go back in with the praying hands. I find that that works for me. If I need to do shingling, I will, but normally I don't. Just kidding, clearly needed it. going to finish the rest. Just want to give you some close-ups on this definition. Hey guys, so this is my hair after I've done all the sections. I did have to finger kind of coil twist the front. I seem to have some damage near my bangs. That's kind of annoying. But other than that, I'm a little concerned for this piece right here, but we'll see. I think this side looks pretty... This is like my better side, I think. But this side was not as cooperative. Probably drying out. We'll see. I'm excited and nervous, but I think this combination is definitely probably going to be a good one. Okay guys, so my hair is dry and I'm not quite sure how I feel about it yet. Lately for me, it's usually like day 2 wash and go is where I really see how much I really like it, because obviously I've cut my hair. Sometimes on the first day of my style, certain areas haven't fulled out yet, so it looks a little misshapen. But I will say pros wise, my hair is super soft. This piece right here I had to twist back up because it's just, I don't know if it's damaged or just being lazy. It was stretched out. But I mean, it's so soft. It feels like really good. And usually on a wash and go, my hair feels kind of soft, but not as soft as it does with the twist out. These pieces like feel very soft, so I'm excited for that. They're not crunchy. I don't know if you can see that, like, you know, they're not crunchy, and they don't really have, let's slide a little closer. Come on. So there's not, like, as you can see here, there's not really any residue, which I thought was really nice because I put obviously a lot of product in. It has a nice bounce, it has a good amount of shine, and I think if I give it about, you know, a day to just fluff itself out, then I think I'll appreciate it. But right now I'm like a little skeptical. But in terms of the products, let's get back to that. Because that's what this review is about. I think that this did its job. I have a good amount of definition. My hair feels soft, which is something that it really did. It says frizz-free curl retention, so I guess I'll know that in a few days to see if it's really frizz-free. I mean, the retention-wise, I think we're alright. Like I said, it's day 1. I just did this, and I haven't done a wash and go in a while, so I'm still adjusting to kind of how it looks. But I think I like it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. How do you like my wash and go? You could be honest. I won't get offended. I'm thinking I'm going to try this product again, but I'll probably know more in a few days when my hair adjusts. I'll see you guys next time in my next video.